Okay, time to take a look at the SanDisk Extreme microSD card. This is the 512GB version, reads up to 190 megabytes per second and writes up to 130 megabytes per second. So there it is. So they do make an Extreme Pro that's actually about 10 megabytes per second faster, but with this one, I'm just going to be using this for audio files, so I'm not going to need that speed. The Extreme Pro can write about 10 megabytes per second faster, so if you want something that you can write to even faster, then you want to go with the Extreme Pro. But for 99% of the applications, this is going to work perfectly fine. And this Extreme at 130 megabytes per second write is already faster than the older Extreme Pros, so this is a very fast card. So to test this, I'm going to use the adapter, and to test that, I'm going to use the Pro Grade reader, which is the fastest reader that I've seen to date. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy a file onto that card and see how long it takes to write. So it looks like it peaked at about 110 megabytes per second, which is pretty typical for that file type. And we'll do a crystal disk mark check. So here we go. At the best case scenario, you got 182, so it's about 8 megabytes short of the max that it should be, but this is still a perfectly fine number. Right, it hit right where it's supposed to be at 130 megabytes per second. And then for the worst case scenario, we got 0.68 and 2.94, so it actually wrote faster than it read, which is excellent. So yeah, overall, this is a very good card.